Ready for occupancy ba ang hanap mo? For only 239,000 all-in down payment, pwede ka nang lumipat after 3 months. Welcome to North Orchard Residences located at Quezon, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Before anything else, again, I am Anna. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more house updates. This beautiful house has a 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and 2 carport. The design of the house is very modern and elegant. As you can see, it has a lot of spaces. You can also put your garden. And you also have your space for your service area for your kitchen extension or laundry area. If you are an OFW or seafarer, locally employed, or even self-employed na naghahanap ng bahay na pwede nang lipatan agad, North Orchard is perfect for you. You also have space there for your pocket garden. This is a complete finished turnover. Painted na po ang ating mga walls and nakatiles na po ang flooring ng ating bahay. So as you can see, we have lots of windows for natural light and ventilation. So ito po ongoing construction po ang ating unit. So perfect po ito sa mga nagmamadali kasi within 3 months pwede nyo na po itong lipatan. This is the kitchen counter and this is the first toilet and bath. Nakatiles na po ang ating flooring and ang wall and complete water fixtures na po siya. And let's go up to check all the rooms. So as you can see, yung tiles ng ating stairs is maganda rin ang pagkakagawa. And we also have windows on the stairs for the natural light. Maganda itong bahay na to kasi maaliwala siya because of the ample windows. So marami siyang windows kaya maliwanag. So tipid ka sa inyong kuryente. So this is our first bedroom. And naka-high ceiling po tayo. And we have abang na for the aircon. And this is our master's bedroom. And we also have lots of windows. So, maaliwalas, maliwanag ang inyong bahay. And may nakaabang na rin po tayo for window type aircon. And this is our last bedroom, the third bedroom. So, nakatiles na rin po ang ating mga flooring sa ating 3 kwarto. So, malalaki rin po ang ating mga bedrooms. And this is our second toilet and bath here on the 2nd floor. So, if you're interested, please do call me on the number on your screen para po makapag-schedule tayo ng site viewing. So, no walk-ins allowed po dito. Mahigpit po dito sa subdivision. Kaya tawagin nyo lang po ako sa number na nasa screen para ma-schedule po natin ang inyong site viewing. Tara, baka maunahan ka pa. Call me now.